Welcome to Do the Math. I'm your host, Rebecca Lowey. Today we visit the world of figure skating to look at something called the triple axel. As you know, figure skating is a sport in which an ice skater glides, jumps, and twirls on the ice, and is judged by the grace and skill displayed during their performance. One of the jumps used in figure skating is called the axel. It gets its name from Axel Paulsen, a Norwegian figure skater who, in 1882, became the first ever to perform the jump. This is how the axel works. A skater is gliding on the ice backwards. While continuing to glide, he turns around and jumps forward, spins in the air, then lands and then continues to glide backwards on the ice. For the ordinary axel, the skater rotates 1.5 times in the air. But for the triple axel, the skater must rotate 3.5 times in the air. Rotation is measured in degrees. One complete rotation is equal to 360 degrees. Half a rotation is 180 degrees. That means that during a triple axel, a figure skater must rotate a total of 1,260 degrees. So how fast does a figure skater spin in the air in order to be able to turn 1,260 degrees before landing? Keep in mind that a skater only spends half a second in the air during an axel jump. So the skater has to rotate 3.5 times in a half a second. We usually measure speed of rotation in units called revolutions per minute, or RPM. A revolution is one complete 360-degree turn. As we already mentioned, a skater must make 3.5 revolutions in a half a second. That's the equivalent of 7 revolutions per second. Since there are 60 seconds per minute, the skater spins at a rate of 420 revolutions per minute, or 420 RPM. To get an idea of how fast that is, think about the blades on the light helicopter. When the helicopter is in flight, the blades spin between 400 and 500 RPM, about the same speed as a skater doing a triple axel. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for letting us take you on a spin.